Wanna keep it alive, but Parica gets it. Now Chuck is on the run. Parica zigzagging his way. Lays it up. Oh my! Parica going coast to coast. Right now, Santos sa ilalim. Ang pasa, Parica, nice fake! How about that? Gavin Flores. Pasa sa ilalim, Parica, lays it up and in. Parica now with 4 points. Elieka, back to Perez, sa gitna. Good ball movement here. Parica from the baseline. Jumper, rattles home. Parica with 4 minutes and 15 remaining. Parica, sidestep, beauty and a foul. Elieka, his three-pointer. No. Rebound goes to Parica and he backs it home. Parica from Anastasio. Sa ilalim, Parica, oh my athletic play. Arte, didiskarte sa loob. Lorenzana finding Parica. Yes, the basket and one.